A plant-based diet is one that excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, and eggs, focusing solely on plant-derived foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. For adults and older individuals, this kind of diet can provide numerous health benefits, such as improved cardiovascular health, better weight management, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and cancer. However, one of the primary concerns for those following a plant-based diet is ensuring they get all the essential amino acids necessary for overall health. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, which play a critical role in almost every function within the human body. There are 20 amino acids in total, 9 of which are considered essential because the body cannot produce them on its own. These must be obtained through the diet. While animal-based proteins are often considered a complete source of all 9 essential amino acids, plant-based sources can also provide these necessary nutrients, though it requires a bit more planning and knowledge about food combinations. For those adopting a plant-based lifestyle, it's important to understand how to combine different plant-based foods to get all the essential amino acids. Unlike animal-based proteins, most plant proteins are considered incomplete, meaning they lack one or more of the essential amino acids. However, by eating a variety of plant foods throughout the day, individuals can meet their amino acid needs. One of the key strategies for ensuring adequate protein intake on a plant-based diet is to consume a variety of protein sources. For instance, legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in certain amino acids, while grains like quinoa, rice, and oats provide others. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds, are also good sources of protein. By eating a variety of these foods, individuals can ensure they are getting all the essential amino acids needed for optimal health. Another critical aspect of a well-balanced plant-based diet is the inclusion of certain nutrient-dense foods that can help support overall health. While the focus is on obtaining amino acids from plant sources, it's equally important to include other essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin B12, which is naturally found in animal products. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve function, red blood cell production, and DNA synthesis. Since this vitamin is not available in plant foods, those following a plant-based diet should consider taking a supplement or consuming fortified foods to ensure they meet their B12 needs. Moreover, older adults may face additional challenges when transitioning to a plant-based diet. As we age, our bodies may become less efficient at absorbing certain nutrients, such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, and calcium. This is why it's particularly important for older adults on a plant-based diet to work with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to ensure they are meeting their nutritional needs. A diet rich in a variety of plant foods can be incredibly nourishing, but proper supplementation may be necessary in some cases. Plant-based diets can also provide an abundance of antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats, which are beneficial for reducing inflammation, supporting gut health, and protecting against oxidative stress. Many plant foods, like berries, leafy greens, and nuts, are rich in antioxidants that help combat free radicals and support the immune system. These health benefits are particularly significant for older adults, as they may help mitigate some of the effects of aging and support long-term health. For individuals new to plant-based eating, it may be helpful to start with simple meals that include a variety of plant proteins. For example, a meal of lentils with quinoa, served with roasted vegetables and a handful of sunflower seeds, can provide a complete protein profile. Similarly, a tofu stir-fry with brown rice, broccoli, and cashews can offer a diverse range of amino acids. The key is to experiment with different plant-based foods to find meals that are both nutritious and satisfying. In addition to providing essential amino acids, a well-rounded plant-based diet can help improve digestive health due to the high fiber content of plant foods. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy gut, as it helps regulate bowel movements, supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, and can help reduce the risk of gastrointestinal diseases. Including a variety of plant foods in the diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, can ensure that you are getting enough fiber to support digestive health. Hydration is another crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy diet, especially when following a plant-based lifestyle. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps support kidney function, digestion, and the transport of nutrients throughout the body. It's also important to consume foods that contribute to hydration, such as fruits and vegetables with high water content, like cucumbers, melons, and leafy greens. In conclusion, following a plant-based diet can provide a wealth of health benefits, from improved cardiovascular health to better digestion and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Ensuring that all the essential amino acids are included in the diet requires careful planning, but with the right food combinations, it's entirely possible to meet these nutritional needs. Additionally, attention should be given to other essential nutrients like vitamin B12, which may require supplementation or fortified foods. By embracing a diverse range of plant-based foods and working with healthcare professionals when necessary, adults and older individuals can successfully maintain a nutritious, balanced plant-based diet that supports overall health and well-being. One of the most effective ways to ensure you are getting all the essential amino acids in a plant-based diet is by eating a variety of different plant-based foods throughout the day. This includes incorporating a range of protein sources like legumes, whole grains, seeds, and nuts. While these proteins are often incomplete individually, when combined thoughtfully, they create a complete profile of amino acids. For example, rice and beans, a staple in many plant-based diets, provide a full spectrum of essential amino acids when eaten together. Other combinations, such as hummus, made from chickpeas and tahini, paired with whole grain pita bread, also provide a complete protein source. To further enhance protein absorption and utilization, it is also important to consider the quality of the plant-based foods being consumed. Whole foods, such as beans, lentils, quinoa, and tofu, are not only rich in protein but also contain other vital nutrients that support overall health. Refined or processed plant foods, while convenient, may not provide the same nutrient density and could be lower in protein content or contain fewer of the essential amino acids. Therefore, focusing on whole, minimally processed plant foods is a crucial aspect of a well-rounded plant-based diet. As mentioned earlier, vitamin B12 is a key nutrient that must be considered in a plant-based diet. Since B12 is not naturally found in plant foods, supplementation or the consumption of B12 fortified foods is essential. Many plant-based eaters choose fortified plant-based milks, cereals, and nutritional yeast as reliable sources of B12. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B12 varies, but it's generally advised that adults over the age of 50 pay extra attention to their B12 intake, as they may be at a higher risk of deficiency due to age-related changes in absorption. In addition to B12, it's also important to consider other nutrients that may be challenging to obtain in sufficient quantities on a plant-based diet. These include vitamin D, calcium, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin D can be synthesized by the body through sunlight exposure, but for those living in areas with limited sunlight, a supplement may be necessary. Similarly, calcium, which is essential for bone health, can be found in fortified plant milks, leafy greens, and tofu. Iron, which is needed for the production of red blood cells, can be obtained from plant sources such as lentils, spinach, and pumpkin seeds. However, it is important to note that non-heme iron, the type found in plants, is not as easily absorbed as heme iron, found in animal products. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods alongside iron-rich foods can help increase iron absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in heart and brain health, are another essential nutrient that can be more challenging to obtain from a plant-based diet. Sources of plant-based omega-3s include flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and algae-based supplements. Including these foods regularly can help ensure you are getting enough omega-3s to support cognitive function and cardiovascular health. In addition to ensuring adequate intake of all essential nutrients, a plant-based diet can provide a wealth of health benefits, particularly for older adults. Research has shown that plant-based diets are associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases such as hypertension, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. These diets tend to be rich in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, which contribute to improved overall health and reduced inflammation. Fiber, in particular, plays an important role in digestive health and can help maintain regular bowel movements, support weight management, and reduce the risk of certain cancers. One of the key factors that contribute to the health benefits of a plant-based diet is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds found in plant foods that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can lead to oxidative stress and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. Berries, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale are rich in antioxidants, and their regular consumption can help protect the body from damage and support a healthy immune system. For older adults, it's also important to consider the potential impact of a plant-based diet on cognitive function. Some studies suggest that diets rich in plant-based foods, particularly those high in antioxidants, may help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and improve brain health. Consuming a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, as well as omega-3 rich foods like walnuts and flax seeds, may help support brain function and maintain mental sharpness as individuals age. Finally, when transitioning to a plant-based diet, it is important to do so gradually and thoughtfully. While a plant-based diet can be incredibly nourishing, it requires careful planning to ensure that nutritional needs are met. For those new to this lifestyle, it may be helpful to start by incorporating more plant-based meals into the week, such as meatless Mondays or plant-based breakfasts. Over time, individuals can increase the number of plant-based meals they consume and experiment with different types of protein sources and nutrient-rich foods to ensure a balanced and satisfying diet. In conclusion, adopting a plant-based diet is a powerful way to improve health, prevent chronic diseases, and support overall well-being, especially in adults and older individuals. By focusing on a variety of whole, nutrient-dense plant foods, including sufficient sources of protein, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, it is entirely possible to meet all of the body's nutritional needs. While supplementation may be necessary for certain nutrients like vitamin B12, a carefully planned and well-rounded plant-based diet can provide a wealth of health benefits and support long-term vitality.